Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to zoom in DaVinci Resolve 18.5. I have this picture of an office in my timeline and I want to zoom in into this chair. So I'll show you how to do that. In the edit page, in the top right corner, go into the inspector panel and you can find zoom underneath the transform option. And to zoom in into the chair, I'll just play with this zoom option right here. I'll just zoom in and I'll adjust the position of the footage. Now you can see I have successfully zoomed in into this chair. And if you want to do dynamic zoom, you can use this option right here. I'll just turn it on, set into ease in and ease out, and press play. As you can see, it's slowly zooming in into the footage. That's how you zoom in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching.